Today, we will give you a detailed introduction to how to use the 240 controller, including basic operation and programming tips. This tutorial will include hands-on demonstrations, so you can quickly understand the controller and use it with confidence. Now, let's get started. Locate the power button on the front panel of the controller. Press the power button and wait about 3 seconds until the screen lights up. Find the Blackout button on the controller panel. It is the long black button. Press it to activate the Blackout function. When the Blackout button is activated, the controller will stop DMX 5.1 to signal output. At this time, all active lights will turn off. To restore normal lighting operation, press the Program button on the controller panel. This will cancel blackout mode and resume signal output. This red button serves as both the Program button and the Fixture selection button. Press the button once to select the program. Save position during programming. Press it again to switch to the Fixture selection function. The 12 buttons on the panel correspond to 12 controlled fixtures respectively, enabling quick fixture selection. Select the first fixture, then push the first brightness fader, the second red fader, and the third green fader. If you want to save this program, press the plus button. Press it again to exit programming mode, then press the Fixture button, and the program will run. This is Sub-Control button, when all 12 fixtures have been assigned through the Fixture selection buttons, and all 12 buttons are already occupied. The Sub-Control button can be used for multi-channel control. The default address of the Sub-Control button is 218. It corresponds to 24 control channels. After activating the Sub-Control button, you can directly control these 24 channels. There are 8 faders on the controller panel. Each fader corresponds to 1 channel. Press the Sub-Control button and push up the faders to control 8 channels. When 8 faders are not enough to control all 24 channels, you can use the page function to switch between channel pages. Page 2, channels 9 to 16. Switch to this page after paging. Try pushing other faders. They can also be controlled normally. Flip to the next page to access channels 17 to 24. The corresponding faders for these channels work as well. Press the Sub-Control button again to exit this mode. This is the Point Control button. It is mainly used to operate single-channel devices, fog machines, and other auxiliary equipment. Its default channel is 206, and it can control 12 lights or 12 channels, which correspond 1-to-1 to the 12 buttons on the panel. Each button controls a separate channel. Now let me show you how it works. Press the Point Control button and then the Start button to activate the fog machine. This is the programming area. The first button is the Delete button. Press and hold the Delete button for 3 seconds to delete a program. The 2 buttons below are the Program Increase and Program Decrease buttons respectively. Pressing them adjusts the program number, and they are designed for batch management of multiple programs. This blue button is the Program Lock button. During programming, if a certain program function is not needed or you want to prevent accidental operation, press the Program Lock button. Once locked, this function cannot be operated. Press it again to unlock and restore normal operation. Below is the joystick for X or Y axis control. The joystick is used to control the horizontal X axis and vertical Y axis movement of moving head fixtures. Moving the joystick adjusts the beam direction and enables precise light positioning. Let me demonstrate this for you. Select the first fixture, then move the joystick, and this light will move up, down, left, and right. The 2 dedicated faders on the panel are the time fader and the time delay fader. Their core function is to control the running speed of the program. Pushing the fader to a higher position speeds up the program. Pushing it to a lower position slows it down. You can see and feel the difference intuitively. This socket is used to connect an external power source and supply power to the controller. When connecting, make sure the power voltage matches the rated voltage of the controller. There are 2 signal output ports. They are used to connect lighting fixtures or other control devices. These ports transmit control signals from the controller to external devices, allowing precise control. Make sure the connectors are firmly connected to avoid signal interruption. That is the complete basic operation and core programming guide for the 240 controller. This tutorial covered power on preparation, basic button functions, programming features, and rear panel interface explanations. Each step was demonstrated with practical operation. For more tutorials and product information, please follow us.